So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 23rd till the 29th of September. I'm going to pull one card for each day, and you can take it as guidance or warnings or simple plain messages from the universe's side. Take it how it resonates with you according to your situation, according to your life situation. Okay, if you are on your spiritual path right now, take it as challenges and obstacles that you need to overcome in order to grow more spiritually. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, honey. Taurus, let's see what's coming for you guys for the rest of the week. Not for the rest of the week, full-fledged week. 23rd, we have the participation. Okay, so it could be very much possible that you're ready to do something, ready to start something. Okay, but you're not getting equal give and take of participation, equal give and take of energy from the other side. So you should understand sometimes we need to wait for the right kind of person, right kind of energy, or right kind of participation from the other side in order to get a situation done, or a work done, or a completion of a cycle, whatever it is. Equal participation from the other side is also important. If you are getting participation from the other side, you are not able to participate fully, then also it is a problem. So participation from both the sides, or from whosoever is connected to whatever area of your life it is connected to, is required in order to get something done. So from your side, give your 100%, give your full attention, full energy to something, okay, that you are trying to manifest or you are trying to work on. And I guess the universe is going to send you other energies also very soon. 24th, we have the maturity. So on the 24th of September, I do see you letting go of a lot of people and situations and things with love and compassion. Not with this energy of, oh my God, everything sucks, everyone is like getting over my mind and everyone is kind of trying to test me. Not like that. So I do see, if you are not able to do that, you should use the maturity and the wisdom and the experience that you got till now, till this age of your life, till this time of your life, and let go of certain people and things and situation with love, with compassion. If someone or something is not serving you anymore, it's time to say goodbye with love and compassion, with maturity, instead of trying to fix something that's falling apart again and again and again in whatever area of your life it is applicable. Okay, 25th of September, I do see a massive success, some kind of good energy, some kind of appreciation, some kind of rewards. For some of you, it's going to be some kind of what we call that, um, like upgradation in your position, in your work area, job or career area. Whatever it is going to be massive success for you, and it is going to make you feel very happy. For some of you, you are going to come in the limelight. Okay, if you're working in that area, limelight, you're coming in the limelight. Now when it is coming, when the success is coming, make sure that you're going to enjoy that moment, but not be in this ego and pride that I am the best and I am the I own the world or something, because everything is temporary. Okay, sadness and happiness and everything is temporary. So basically, in Osho and Tarot, even if the success is there, you should be in this energy of enjoying it completely, but at the same time, not get overwhelmed with this kind of success, because it's a temporary phase. Okay, just take the message here. On the 26th, we have the adventure. So on the 26th of September, either you are going to go on adventure, spiritual adventure, you will try to do something totally new, or you will try to test something totally new, or you will be in this energy of, okay, I have to do something different in my life, because till this point I have done this and this and this, but I have never done this kind of thing, right? So for those of you who never took any kind of new courses or new energies or new directions or new adventures in their life, it's a guidance for you guys. Go in a different direction. And for those of you who are planning to do that but not able to do that, finally the time has come that you should start doing that, going in that direction. Okay, you are going to, these are 7 chakras, these are 7 colors, you're going to get success in that direction. Okay, so do that. If you're trying to do something different, and if you are trying to understand what you should do and what you should not do, you can just get the answer only by going in that direction. There's no other answer. There's nothing that can help you. Okay, before going in that direction. Now we have 23, 24, 25, 26. 27th, we have the silence. Okay, on the 27th of September, you are going to find yourself in a very silent kind of energy. Even if you're going to talk to other people or interact with other people, you're going to have some kind of silence and peace within yourself, and the universe is kind of guiding you to listen to yourself and your intuition instead of trying to find your answers outside of you. Okay, and for those of you who are working on their intuitive powers or intuitions, intuition sorry, not intuitions, intuition, um, like deliberately, religiously, you will definitely get some kind of improvement and growth in that area of your life. Very good, very, very good. Okay, 28th, we have the going with the flow. It's like I don't have to explain this card for you guys. On the 28th of September, I guess you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let the universe do whatever is good for me, let me just flow with the flow. It's like the river, and the person is not even trying to swim. It's just this is somebody who's just going with the flow, going with the water, flowing with the flow, right? So flow with the flow, and whatever is meant for you, good or bad, whatever lessons or blessings are meant for you will come to you eventually when the timing is going to be right for you to receive that. Okay, in whatever area of your life you're feeling stuck, just go with the flow. Okay, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh my god, it's very difficult to like get in um, sync with the date system. Anyway, 29th of September, the burden. You are going to be in this energy of taking too much on your plate that you will not be able to finish, working too many hours or working too much or taking too much stress or taking too much responsibilities. Whatever it is, you will feel the burden. Okay, if you're not going to be, if you're not going to be consciously working on this energy of not taking too much pressure or not taking too much burden on yourself, you're going to feel very heavy. You're going to feel like you are in some kind of pressure, some kind of jail that you're not able to break through, break free from. Okay, so take care of that energy. Don't take too much pressure, don't take too much stress on yourself. If you're not able to do something, try to work on this slowly. Okay, okay, slow and steady. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.